I'll bring it over here.
Where?
Big an idiot. Put it out the house somewhere. You ready?
Hold on, can't see you. Hold on.
Oh yeah, I'm freaking nervous to do this crap.
Well,
Ready?
hold on.
Can you see?
Yeah, I guess.
What if you stood over there? Could you see better?
Oh my gosh, Danny. All this walking around you're making me do.
Can you see better?
Yeah? What was the barrel for exactly?
I don't know, but find out right now.
Basic plan number 3.
Yeah, no, 4.
Number 4.
I did it.
Where's the basic player at?
I'm about to do it.
No, that's an ass implant.
Yeah. My car's got CDs, you know that, right?
I don't care. I think that was like a shoulder implant.
No, it was more of a head. Okay, here you go. Yeah, tell you the expensive.
Oh no! See that right there?
Yeah.
You threw a ball or a frisbee and then
It was
you
the
broke.
ice.
You threw a piece of ice and it broke.
Can't do it. Oh well.
Thank you.
Go do something on that pole over there. Yeah,
You don't break it.
I hope
I
it's
know
not.
something I
I
can
don't
do.
know if it's 30 or not.
I don't care if it is or not.
I always go on it.
Press the stop, get off it. Dude, move.
Oh, he gonna break it.
Dang, you're right
Here,
there.
let me hold this side.
More dive over
I
it.
hope it doesn't break.
I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just dive over it.
Oh!
Woo!
You took it apart. Oh, it always comes apart like that.
That's what you call a stupid brother.
You want to say something I can do?
That point fell off.
I won't say like that.
I just said it like that.
Bet you can't get up here.
Dude, get off it. Quick, you broke the fan.
No.
Danny, I bet you can't get up here.
Don't be climbing on the fence. Next time you do, I'm gonna